good, gang? Welcome back to another vlog. I already started working on the car already today, but I fucking forgot to make the intro. But here we are. Homies are helping me install the AC compressor, so we're gonna be chilling, bro. So as you can see, this is the old compressor, bro. This is the stock compressor since the car came out of factory, bro. This car has been out since 1099. So first time changing the compressor, bro. Motherfucker did good job. El bellotreño, el honey bun. Y'all thought I was gonna post cinematic. Yo, we're inside of the car. You see that green light? We got fucking AC, bro. Super excited, bro. This shit is cold. I wish y'all will fucking feel what I'm feeling right now. This shit high as fuck. Ice, ice. Yo, gang, grabamos un momento. Yo, gang, so yesterday, we installed the compressor. You saw I got AC. Today we're working on the seal of the gasket cover. Let me show y'all real quick. Shit new, bro. Shiny. Yo, so basically this is what we're working with, installing today, because some oil is getting into the spark plugs. So I'm gonna do the change since I'm gonna mobbin these days the car. I don't want to fuck up the new spark plugs. Yo, gasket is on. We're gonna put this on real quick and we're gonna come back to y'all like this. Look at this transition.
Look at this nigga. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Say something to the people.
Old man. So gang, it's the same day, it's nighttime. I forgot to record. I was getting ready and all shit, but we outside, we're chilling with the homies. Car's doing good. A little bit of rubbing of fitment, not gonna cap. It's rubbing a little bit right here on this side, but other than that, we're good. Compressor is working pretty good. I think I gotta change the thermostat because that shit is like shutting down too quick before the whole car is really cold. So I gotta check that shit out. But we outside. Yo, so I forgot to record earlier, but it's the same day basically. But we still at it. It's rubbing a little bit right here on this side, but other than that we're good. Compressor is working. Yo, we're about to head out. Yo, we're about to head out checking PSI. This tire is leaking, so I gotta reseal that shit.
Yo guys, always subscribe, leave a like and comment. Look.
Yo, so we're about to head out. We Gucci. Yo, so we got here to another spot. We're gonna eat right there. We're gonna eat some mofongo right now. So we're big outside, bro. Yo, so we're on another spot. There was like a little like car group reunited on the spot we were before here. But everyone left, the homies left, so I asked my girl if she wanted to eat. So here we are on another spot. Car's right there, chilling. Sheesh. We just ordered some food. I'm gonna show you the food in a little bit. So yo, I didn't have plans to be outside today. That's why the vlog jumped from not being outside to being outside. But here we are, bro. I can't miss I was like, yo, I gotta record this shit, bro. I gotta blog. So we're big chilling, big outside. Car's doing good. This tire's leaking, like I said earlier, but that's nothing big. Yo, we got the food. Ábrelo ahí. Okay.
God damn.
Yo, so we're gonna eat this real quick, and we're gonna mob back home.
Lord's vibe is so good.
Yo, gang, today it was a good day, chilling. We ate good, we mopped good. We're on our way home. We're like 25 minutes away. Gotta turn left right here. Big chilling. Oh shit. Yo, it's the next day. We got home safe yesterday. I just woke up. Yo, gang, so like I said, we got home yesterday safe and sound. This vlog is gonna end up right here, bro. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I told you guys that on the next vlog we was gonna be outside. We got AC now in the car, so we're gonna be using the car way more, bro, because this car is little, so it's a two-door car, so it gets hot too quick, bro, because the motor, bro, that shit gets instantly hot. But yo, if you made it to the end of the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, bro, comment anything. That shit helps me a lot in YouTube. So please leave a comment, subscribe, like the video, share the video with your mom, grandma, brother, friends, with everybody. And nothing, thank you, like, from the bottom of my heart. I'm sweating because I'm inside of the car and the car is turned off. But yo, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.
Dottie, this one is crazy.